Hello, you guys.
Hey guys, we are on day 3 of our Mini-Sota series.
Welcome back to our channel. We just got to my aunt and uncle's house and we are ready to brunch.
And munch.
So let's go. We'll take you guys with us. Of course, we got to get the outfits. Look at that outfit.
You know what?
So cute.
Best part?
Pockets. Always. And your pop of colors. You look so cute. So I went with a little romper today, you guys. Mine doesn't have pockets, so this outfit sucks.
No, she looks good. Damn.
Now I'm ready to stuff my face. This is a little loose, so that's why.
Guys, we decided to steal the golf cart and go for a ride.
Yeah! We'll see if we. Oh, we're going. We're moving.
Driving.
We're making moves, guys. We're making moves.
Yeah.
Oh, grass. See ya. Okay, everyone, duck. Danny.
Oh no!
Oh God.
Yeah, so we definitely bottomed out.
Okay guys, let me tell you about this golf cart. This golf cart has been around for over 10 years. This thing has bottomed out. This thing has been in the pond. I have been whipped off of this thing. So this thing has some good memories in the fam. So we're gonna whip it around and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we don't tip over. We got 5 people in this thing.
Oh yeah.
Say hi guys.
Oh, yeah. One time too.
Yes, don't bring it up. We don't need to talk about that right now. Yep. Okay, so we dropped the 2 in the back off, so now we're gonna go really crank it.
Faster.
Swear to God, if this thing tips over.
Yeah,
Yeah, do not tip this shit over. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, pro Danielle over here. Oh yeah. Illegal activity of the day. On the road. On the open road.
On the road again.
Guys, when you do an illegal activity of the day, though, you got to do something nice for someone throughout your day too. So you got to even it out. Life is all about balance.
You also
Balance
gotta
the
make
two.
sure that
Balance.
you don't have a license plate.
There you go.
There you go.
You don't have a license plate because then you can't get caught.
Running stop signs.
You guys, we just got home. We have food comas.
Food babies right now.
Food babies and food comas.
So we're gonna take a quick nap and then we will be on our next adventure.
Woo! All right.
Right, guys.
We're on our way to hiking right now. And then what are we getting?
And then we're gonna get some fancy rainbow lattes.
At Astoria Cafe in St. Paul. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Get before our hike to help it push.
She needs the sugar and the carbs to fuel her workout.
A Twix Blizzard from
Fueled by Dairy Queen.
which we actually had in Washington.
We just made it to the falls, you guys. We went to Minnehaha Falls in St. Paul. And we just got here. We're at the top of Minnesota is one of the healthiest and most active states, so we had to show Janessa one of the hiking trails here, and this one is actually right in the middle of the Twin Cities. So there's a waterfall right in the middle. It's crazy and it's so pretty.
beautiful. This is gorgeous.
Guys, Minnesota isn't just an Arctic tundra. Look how beautiful this is. Remember the airport guy? No.
I hope that you guys are enjoying this as much as I am, because wow, so nostalgic. It reminds me of Washington. Miss Washington. Alright guys, so we have the gum wall in Seattle, and over here in Minnesota, there's a gum tree. Not even like a tree, but just like, I love it.
Guys, we made it to the end of the trail, and there's such a pretty white beach.
Guys, look at this.
It's so gorgeous. Let's turn it around so you guys can see. It's so beautiful. Oh yes, that's so white. Janessa, what are we doing?
We just climbed up a tree.
We're literally in a tree right now. So much fun. We're like little monkeys. Her and I love to climb and do things we shouldn't be doing.
Check out the view, guys.
Look at the view. Let's turn it around. Here's this lovely tree we're in with the lovely sister. Hey, girls. Don't pull me. Here's the view. Oh,
Right,
so pretty.
The problem is getting down now.
Getting down. We're not so
I
sure.
don't know.
We kind of want to jump because we don't want to shimmy all the way back.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. You guys, I'm taking Janessa to see my old college campus. I'm a Tommy. I went to University of St. Thomas, and I wanted her to see my college campus. So we're going to go through the arches right now so you guys can see where I went to school.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, you guys, we're going to girls' night out. We got all the lovely ladies here. We're going to do some close-ups of our outfits right now, and then we're going to do some before and afters for the bar. So you'll see what we look like before the bar and after the bar. So let's do Lena's first. Oh, you little cutie. Looking like a snack, looking like a snack. She's got the wrap top, and the cute little black skirt. And then we got Janessa. Oh, look at that lovely lady with the fanny pack. What? She's working it. She's working it. And then we'll do mine quick. I'm just gonna flip it around. We got the bell-bottom pants going with the little black heel, with a little crop and a choker. Taylor, you're getting this back next time.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
You have it back.
Also, you guys, we about to take a shot.
Shot, 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 shot.
Everybody!
Everybody is on. Shot, 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 shot.
If you haven't noticed, there was no outro to the last video, so that
We're a
just
little bit of a
shows-
train.
We also bought, where are the crickets?
Oh, we
bought a
can show
pack of
ours.
crickets.
Right here.
Right here. We're gonna try these for you.
I'm freaking out.
You guys, look at that.
I'm freaking out. Oh, they're so gross. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.